Hello and welcome to another 5-minute tech tip. This is Dave Casuto with SF Tech Training, and in this video we are going to cover how to work with something called Quickparts. Quickparts is really one of my favorite tools in Outlook, and it's also available in Word, believe it or not. So what are Quickparts? Quickparts are essentially the ability to save something over and over and over again, so you can use it over and over and over again, and you save it within the program itself. You can organize them, you can access any types of file types, excuse me, not file types, but objects such as text, images, tables, a whole bunch of text. It's pretty much unlimited. So I have some content here that, let's just say I use this all the time and I keep having to go find it, copy and paste it from someplace else, and I don't want to have to do that. So I'm going to make this into a Quickpart. So where do my Quickparts live? If I go here to insert, you will see that there is a icon here called Quickparts. I click on that and I have a number of Quickparts already in here. So you can see attaches the agenda, something I say all the time. Please see attached for the latest invoice. There's my signature. Okay, that's great. Fantastic. So got everything there. So I do want to have this as a Quickpart. So very simply, all I do is highlight everything here, go over here to insert, go to Quickparts, and way down here you see save selection to Quickpart gallery. I click on that, and I can go ahead and give it a name, whatever I want. I'm going to keep this the same. The gallery, right? It's going to be in the Quickparts gallery. That's great. And then notice here you can also categorize these. Okay, so maybe I have a lot of things around confidentiality, right? So let's keep it just like that. Okay, and I'm going to say, okay, that's great. That's where that's going to be. What do you want to insert when you insert it? You want to insert the content only, and you want to put it into its own paragraph. So it always comes in separate no matter what. Or maybe it's going to be its own page. Not super relevant with Outlook, but with Word, you'll see the same exact options. I have another video on how to do this in Word, just the same. So let's go ahead and click OK. And let me close out of this. And I'm going to do a blank new email here. It's great. And now I am ready to go, and I'm going to put this in here. So there's two ways I can now bring this in. When you click on Insert, you will see there is Quickparts, and you'll notice there that is. And I click on it, and it's done. Fantastic. Let's do it the second way. You might even like this better. I'm just literally going to come to my email and just start typing this, and then notice what pops up for me. It understands about Quickparts, so all I have to do is press enter while that's hovering, and then bam, that comes in. It's magic. It is the coolest thing. Let me do one more. I'm going to do this image here for Yelp. I'm going to say insert, Quickparts, save selection. All right, call this Yelp logo. I want to make a new category for this. Images. Click OK. And now I'm at a new email, and I am ready to bring in my Yelp logo, and then bam, there it is. See, there's my confidential, and then there is, way at the bottom, my images. So I can very easily bring that in. Now, the last thing I want to show you with Quickparts is the ability to really organize these things. So if you decide you don't want these, like for example, let's say I don't want this, I change my mind. If you right click, you will see here is organize and delete, and I can very easily delete that. I'm going to say yes. And then there's my Yelp logo. I can go ahead and delete that just the same. And then I can find this one. I can also go to edit properties, and I'm back to that initial dialog box that I saw in the beginning. All right, so hopefully this is helpful. Try it out in Word or watch my video on Word, and feel free to subscribe here. That's 5-Minute Tech Tips with Dave Casuto and SF Tech Training. Any requests or suggestions or comments you have, keep them nice and clean. On YouTube, feel free to reach out, or LinkedIn. You can also go to my website, sftechtraining.com, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks.